Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce a new generation of 2019 Kodi Health Capsule Filling Machine today. All people can customize different capsule mixtures in a more efficient way with it, so as to protect our health. Step 1. Separate the capsule body from the capsule cap, and then put them into two containers respectively. Identify the body plate, capping plate, frame plate, spill guard plate, temper plate, middle plate, and spatula plate, and place the printed side of each plate upward. Install the handle on the temper with a screwdriver. Step 2. Put the frame plate on the body board. Have more than 100 capsules poured onto the frame plate. Use your hands to hold the frame plate and the body plate at the same time, and shake them from one side to the other side gently. Then most of the capsule bodies would fall into the hole with their mouth upwards. They have the unwanted capsule body poured out from the mouth. Step 3. If there are a small number of capsule bodies that fall into the hole with their mouth downwards, have it inserted into another capsule body and have it pulled out. Then place the capsule body into the hole with its mouth upwards. Ensure that each capsule body is placed with its capsule mouth upwards, and ensure that there is a capsule body in each hole. Step 4. Take down the frame plate. Then place the spill guard on the body plate and pour the vitamin powder. Then use a spatula to spread the vitamin powder into the capsule body evenly. Use a powder temper to have the vitamin powder compacted gently. Then take down the spill guard. Step 5. Put the frame plate on the capping plate. Have more than 100 capsule caps poured onto the frame plate. Use your hands to hold the frame plate and the cap plate at the same time, and shake them from side to the other side gently. Then most of the capsule caps will fall into the hole with their mouth upwards. Then have the unwanted capsule caps poured out from the mouth. Step 6. If there are a small number of capsule caps that fall into the hole with their mouth downwards, have it inserted into another capsule cap and have it pulled out. Then place the capsule cap into the hole with its mouth upwards. Ensure that each capsule cap is placed with its capsule mouth upwards. Step 7. Take down the frame plate. Then place the middle plate on the cap plate, and ensure that the intermediate board is placed with its side with grooves upwards. Combine the middle plate with the cap plate, and have it rotated for 180 degrees. Turn it up and down, and have the capsule mouth of the cap plate directed at the body plate. Press it down for 3 to 4 times with a larger force, so that there is no gap between the boards. Step 8. Take down the cap plate, and as for the capsule body and the capsule cap, they are tightly locked and hang on the middle plate. Take down the capsules from the middle plate and put them in a sealed container. Step 9. Use a brush to clean up the powder stuck in the hole and on the board to make it easier to refill the capsules. You can have such self-made capsules. What are you still hesitating about? Take action now.